Hello, wonderful viewers over 50. Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity that can transform your life: online freelancing. If you're looking to leverage your skills, work from the comfort of your home, and perhaps even retire early or ease the burden of a physically demanding job, this video is for you. Online freelancing is truly a game changer, especially for mature professionals like you. With your years of experience and the wealth of knowledge you've accumulated, you're in a prime position to succeed in this digital marketplace. The beauty of freelancing lies in its flexibility. You can choose when and where you work, allowing you to create a schedule that fits your lifestyle. This is particularly beneficial if you're seeking to reduce physical strain while still earning an income. Now, let's start by identifying what skills you can offer as a freelancer. Think about your professional background. What expertise have you developed over the years? Perhaps you have experience in project management, accounting, or marketing. These are all valuable skills that businesses are eager to tap into. But don't stop there. Consider the soft skills you've honed throughout your career as well. Qualities like leadership, communication, and problem solving are highly sought after in the freelance world. You might also have hobbies or interests that could translate into freelance opportunities. For instance, if you enjoy writing, graphic design, or even tutoring in subjects you're passionate about, there's a market for that too. The key is to find something that not only pays well but also brings you joy. Once you've identified your marketable skills, it's time to choose your freelancing niche. There are countless areas where freelancers are needed today. Writing and editing are always in demand. Businesses need content for their websites and marketing materials. Virtual assistants is another growing field where you can help manage schedules, emails, and other administrative tasks from home. If you have specific expertise, like consulting in your field, this can be a lucrative avenue as well. To get started in online freelancing, establishing a strong online presence is crucial. Begin by creating a professional email address and setting up profiles on popular freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. These platforms connect freelancers with clients looking for specific services. Additionally, consider developing a simple website or online portfolio where you can showcase your work and highlight your experience. As you build your freelance profile, think of it as your digital resume. Make sure it shines by emphasizing your years of experience and showcasing relevant skills and certifications. A professional photo can also make a positive impression. Write a compelling bio that highlights not just what you do but also what makes you unique. Now comes the tricky part: setting your rates. Pricing can be challenging when starting out. Research market rates for your skills to ensure you're competitive, but remember not to undersell yourself. Your experience adds value. Start with competitive rates and consider gradually increasing them as you gain positive reviews and build a strong client base. Once you're ready to find work, start bidding on projects that align with your skills. Carefully read job descriptions and submit thoughtful proposals that demonstrate how your experience makes you the perfect fit for the job. Don't be discouraged if you don't win every bid. It's all part of the learning process. When you land a project, communication is key. Keep in touch with your client throughout the process, clarify expectations and meet deadlines consistently. Going the extra mile to ensure client satisfaction can lead to repeat business and referrals. As you embark on this freelancing journey, remember that continual learning is essential in the ever-evolving online landscape. Take advantage of online courses to expand your skill set and stay updated with industry trends or new tools relevant to your niche. One of the greatest advantages of freelancing is the flexibility it offers. Create a schedule that works for you. This allows for a healthy work-life balance where you can dedicate time to both work and personal activities. Let me share some inspiring success stories from fellow mature professionals who have thrived in the world of freelancing. Take John, for example, a 62-year-old former marketing executive who transitioned into freelance copywriting. He now earns more than he did in his previous job while working fewer hours each week. Then there's Maria, a 55-year-old retired teacher who turned her passion for language into a successful online English tutoring business, connecting with students from around the globe. The bottom line is this: online freelancing offers incredible opportunities for mature professionals like yourself. It allows you to leverage your extensive experience while working on your own terms and potentially earning more without the physical demands of traditional jobs. So, are you ready to start your online freelancing journey? What skills do you think could translate into freelance work? I'd love to hear about your ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips on thriving during your golden years. Until next time, here's to your success in the freelancing world.